Edition. I'm your host, Ms. Mother Nature. Today's contestants are Wes Callison, KCCI 8 meteorologist, Dave Moreland, Boone County Emergency Management Coordinator, Mike Havlick, YMCA naturalist, and Larry Owen, chemist from BASF. Today's contestants will take home a winner's survival kit for their car. One contestant will win a brand new car, complete with the new, one-of-a-kind, glow-in-the-snow bumper. Okay, let the game begin. Question 1, what is a blizzard? Wes?
In order to be, where do we start?
That's why we start.
In order to be considered a blizzard, winds need to be at least 35 miles per hour or higher, visibility less than a fourth of a mile for more than 3 hours. A blizzard doesn't require falling snow. Ground blizzards are common in Iowa. If you can't see while driving, be safe and pull over.
Correct. Okay, question number 2. When you go on a storm, what needs to be in your winter survival kit? Dave?
Extra clothes such as hats and gloves. High energy, non-perishable food and water. Enough of both to last for 72 hours. Make sure you have some blankets and a first aid kit.
Yes. Question number 3 is a multiple choice question. When you go out in a storm, you should A, tell someone where you are going, know your destination. B, dress for the weather. C, bring along a survival kit. D, all of the above. Mike?
D, all of the above. You should always tell someone where you are going, so then if something happens, the authorities will know where to start their search.
So true. When emergency people find an abandoned car in a blizzard, hours can be spent searching for the owner of the car. If you are stuck in a blizzard, do not leave your car. If other travelers pick you up, leave a note telling the time you left, your destination, and your primary route of travel.
Fantastic. Okay, here's our last question. Did you know that 70% of the deaths that occur during a blizzard are due to cars and poor visibility? What can be done to increase the visibility of cars during a blizzard? Larry?
When I worked for DuPont, I developed car paint. Layer after layer of paint is applied to increase the durability and protect the car from the environment. Preparing for winter driving could include applying a layer of phosphorescence to the vehicle's bumper only. We could use strontium aluminate as a phosphorescence to collect and slowly release light from our bumpers. Adding this white powder to green pigment, we can create a glow for our bumpers, lasting up to 72 hours before needing to be recharged in the comfort of our garage. Our bumpers would need some metal as the paint will stick to metal better than plastic.
Whoa! Slow down, Larry. Let's hear from our sponsors, Glow-in-the-Snow Bumper.
Have you ever been caught in a blizzard before with low visibility? Well, if you have, I've got a solution for you.
What is it?
Glow-in-the-Snow Bumper. It'll have your rear end shining this winter. First, we add a high-quality paint to our powder, which will last up to 72 hours. The old paint was only good for 20 hours. That's not long for an Iowa blizzard.
That's genius! And we are back. Now, all of our contestants had really good answers to all of our questions, but there can only be one winner. Today's winner is Larry Owen, chemist from BASF.
You have just won your green car with the new glow-in-the-snow bumper. Green is the most efficient color. Congratulations, Larry.
I'm Marco Christensen.
I'm Sam Arnold.
I'm Ethan Haver.
I'm Alex Bebb.
I'm Ryan Nichols.
I'm Lauren Kennedy.
I'm Hope Schroeder.
And
we are the Blizzard Wizards.
Glow
In the
Snow.
Bumpers.
Yeah!
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the car is so
see you, Don.
Let it glow, let it glow.